How to install and create account on Signal for iPhone. Signal is a messaging application that allows users to send messages, make audio and video calls with their friends, share photos, videos, and links. Signal Private Messenger on iPhone is completely free to use. The app is available for iPhone, iPad, Android, Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you are wondering how to start using the app on your device, you can use this video as a reference. Here is a step-by-step guide you can follow to download the Signal app from the App Store. How to install the Signal app on iPhone. First, open your iPhone device and visit the App Store. Tap on the search button from the bottom. Next, search for Signal on the top. After you found the app, tap Install. You will need to allow the installation if it is the first time you install this app on your account. This may differ on every device, so the best advice is to follow the on-screen instruction. After the install is complete, tap on the Open button. Next, tap Continue and allow all necessary permission. Tap Enable Permissions. Tap OK. Tap Allow for Signal app to send you notification. On this new page, select the correct country. Now tap on the phone number and write your phone number. After entering the number, tap Next. You will receive a verification code. You will be required to enter a 6-digit code that the app will send you via SMS. Users can manually verify the code or allow Signal to copy it directly. Once your number is verified, you can set a profile picture and enter your name. Let's add the profile picture. Click on the profile icon. Take a picture on the camera or choose from the photo library. I will choose a picture from the photo library. Select the picture. Tap on Done. You can now change or add the name that you want to be known on Signal. After adding name and profile picture, tap Save. On the next screen, the app will ask you to create a PIN. This is important as this will encrypt your information. Create and confirm the PIN. Write the PIN and tap Next. Confirm the PIN and tap Next. Once you created and confirmed the PIN, you are all set to use the app. You have now installed and created an account on Signal for iPhone. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.